To enable audio broadcast on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're going to proceed to connected devices. After that, we should be able to find the audio broadcast option in here. So we can select it. You can set up your name over here. You can set up the password as well. And we can share or listen to the broadcast. So you can choose whichever option you want to use. Of course, you need to connect a device that supports Auracast. So for example, like headphones or something. And if you want to start sharing over here, you can choose to either broadcast the media or the voice. So you can either use the phone's media player, I guess, or just media in general, or you can use the microphone of your device. And of course, we can tap on this broadcast button in order to start broadcasting. You can also generate a QR code once it is created, once it is started, in order to, of course, share it with other people. You can tap on the microphone in order to mute it, just in case you want to do that. And there we go. And for the media, of course, we can use the same button again, and that is pretty much it. You can also tap on this eye icon in the upper right corner to find some additional information about this feature. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.